Hello everybody, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Sayujam the Art Zone. In today's tutorial, we are going to see about 2-point perspective. I hope you have gone through my videos on 1-point perspective. If not, then you may please watch them. I have provided the links in the I button. In 1-point perspective, we saw that the things are vanishing in a single point while we are seeing the object from the front, whether on the eye level or below or above the eye level, right? Whereas in 2-point perspective, we are going to be seeing things from their corners. So as the name implies, 2-point perspective means there are two vanishing points, okay? Now that is the object disappears towards two vanishing points. Now we will assume that we are standing at a kitty corner across the street looking down two different streets. So we are looking at the object from sides little bit at the corner. This is the primary difference between 1-point and 2-point perspective. There are two vanishing points and of course the angle at which you are viewing. The objects that we draw will be between these two vanishing points. The closer you put the vanishing points, everything has to stay between the two of them. So it really gets difficult to fill up your page if they are next to one another. So we want them to be far away. Now what to do for that? If you want to fill up your page, imagine the vanishing points out of your paper. Initially you may stick extra papers on sides to mark the vanishing points to make things easy. Now let's draw some boxes for better understanding. We have our horizon line and have marked two vanishing points, right? In 1-point perspective, we start drawing the front of the object, and in 2-point perspective, we are looking at the corner of an object. So how do we start here? We will actually start with a line. This line will be on the horizon line, that is, the box is right in front of our eyes. We will connect the edges of this line to both the vanishing points. This will be the two sides that will be visible. Remember, if it is not going to the vanishing points, it is not in perspective. Line up the ruler parallel to this line and draw the line between the converging lines to show the depth of this box. This is entirely up to you. So once you find the place, draw the line. Now if we want to be above the horizon line, then keep in mind that we are looking up at it and we will be seeing three sides of the box. That is, we will be seeing the bottom of the box in this case. Again, show the depth as we did before. We will make the bottom of the box. So how should we go about it? Let's see. To create the top or bottom, connect the corners to the opposite vanishing points. So we are going to cross over each other. Like this. So now we can see the underside of the box as well. We will make a box below the horizon line now, and the same concept applies here too. It's just that we are going to look down instead of looking up at it, and here the top of the box will be visible. I know this is messy. I'll erase these converging lines and mark them with red just for your understanding. I think now it is clear. We can also experiment drawing some shapes coming out or going in or maybe intersecting these boxes. Let's try some of them. We will draw a line inside. Now I'm not going to draw the converging lines till the vanishing points. Instead, I'll draw only the required depth once I'm sure about it. Alright, now it will look like there is a protrusion in this box. Let's proceed with the box above the horizon line. Again we will line up and make a little square. This time we will show as if it is going inside, maybe like a window. Now let's make something that is passing through this box. I will rub this part of the box as it will not be seen. I hope this video was helpful to clear the concept of two-point perspective. Please do share this video if you liked it. Also, please do subscribe my channel for more such tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until we meet again, take care and bye-bye.